how to enable or disable contacts trash on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on contacts app. After click on contacts app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in contacts settings, scroll down and you will see trash is here. If you want to disable contact trash, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see contact trash is disabled. If you want to enable contact trash, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see contact trash is enabled. You will enable or disable contact trash from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable contacts trash on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.